Question number 9. Martha can paint a room in 2 hours. Martha speaks. Did y'all watch that? Jamie can paint the same room in 6 hours. How long to the nearest tenth of an hour will it take them to paint the room together? Lest you forget how to do this problem, this is called a work problem. And two people working together to complete a task. They both work at different paces. Ultimately, it's going to take them less time combined. So here's how you do it. You take Martha, you take her time, you put it under 1. You take Jamie, you take his or her, I don't know, it could be a guy or girl. So Jamie, take his or her time, same room, 6 hours. Jamie's kind of slow. You put that under 1. And you combine them. It's important you don't want to add 2 and 6 because it's not going to take them 8 hours. So you do the reciprocal. And then you say, all right, it's going to equal together. We don't know, but we know it's going to be under 1. So it's going to be 1 over x. That's your equation. 1/2 plus 1/6 equals 1x. And there's a couple ways to solve this equation, but as you can see, I have my last problem on here. Honestly, you can do this. You can do 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. And you can hit that. 2/3. 2/3. 2/3 equals 1 over x. All right, well, how does that help you? Well, again, you can make that. That's a proportion. You could cross multiply. You could say 2x equals 3. Ooh, 2x equals 3. 2x equals 3 times 1, right? And 3's. So 2x equals 3. Then I can divide both sides by 2. And that's going to give me 3 divided by 2. Now, it's time, right? So it's going to be 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 hours. It'll take them combined 1.5 hours to get the job done. What do you think? Another thing you could do, I suppose, if you wanted to, you could say y equals that, and you could say 1 over x, and you could do an intersection. So we could say y equals the sum, and this intersection x is 1.5. So that could work too. Either one of those would be my recommendation on how to set this problem up.